WUXI Dizo Ultrasonic Plastic Welding Technology, focused on automotive plastic welding automation solutions. Automated robot activated, preparing for welding operations. High-precision positioning ensures accurate welding spots. Ultrasonic technology enables molecular-level plastic bonding. No screws or adhesives needed, clean and eco-friendly. Multi-point continuous welding improves production efficiency. Integrated inspection system guarantees welding quality. Multiple robots working simultaneously, compatible with various car models. Your professional partner in plastic welding solutions. Contact us for customized solutions. If you have any interest, please feel contact me. Email s.les05@nicle.cn